How should they look at it then? So somebody wants to burst out, right? And they're like, oh, Brittany, how? Brittany, what am I supposed to do?
You have to make a choice. You have to make the choice if you want to survive in this life or if you want to thrive in this life. You're the only person that can hold you back from that.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are now tuned in the Jaja's mic, home of the world's toughest leaders. It's such a pleasure to have you. My leaders, I'm at my favorite spot right now. You all know that Starbucks. And as I'm finishing today's edit, I meet a phenomenal soul just comes floating into Starbucks with a presence that literally I had to reach out and approach. And upon reaching out to this individual, it turns out that she has the spirit of inspiration. She has this spirit of motivation, right? And she's really called to lead. She's been told that her entire life. This is God because what is this platform, my leader? This is a leadership platform. I can't make these up, and I keep telling you all, I don't make these up. My leader, she wants to speak to you about the grind. You all are my brick wall runners around the globe, and today, I mean, I'm excited. I'm very excited. So before I give y'all the speaker in me, I don't want to say too much, but my leaders, I introduce you to Brittany Nicole Hernandez. So tell us,
Okay.
what does Don't Stop Your Grind mean?
Don't stop your grind means be your biggest supporter, be your own rock, be the person that you need. Because if you rely on another person to be your rock or to be your wall, if that person or that thing steps away, all you have to do is fall.
Yeah.
So be what you look for in other people. 100%. All day, every day. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. It's all you.
How did you find out about this perspective? What happened?
I went through a bunch of stuff. I went through life. And you could say life gave me a shorthand, but it gave me a strong hand. And I rose from it. Dynamites come in small packages. You gotta burst out of your small situations and make them bigger. Make an explosion.
How should they look at it then? So somebody wants to burst out, right? And they're like, oh, Brittany, how? Brittany, what am I supposed to do?
You have to make a choice. You have to make the choice if you want to survive in this life or if you want to thrive in this life. You're the only person that can hold you back from that. Period.
Tell me a story. You got a story. What's in it?
My story. I grew up with a single mother. She had 2 children very young, before the age of 21. Things were tough. Our fathers went around in the picture. She did her best, but sometimes people slip whenever we're doing our best and we forget certain things along the way. Long story short, I had to grow up around 8 years old, get ready to take care of myself, and 14, 15 years later, I've been taking care of myself and I am thriving, not surviving, on my own in Austin, Texas.
How's that been, taking care of yourself? What have you recognized?
It's been amazing. I recognize how much I care about myself, how much I care about my health, how much I care about my sleep, and how much I care about my friends, because your friends are your chosen family, and those people need to be the people that help bring you up. Not the people that you rely on, but the people that support you and the people that you can give support back in return. People that can bring out your best self and people that you can reciprocate that to as well.
What's your vision?
Man. My vision is to be happy with what I'm doing and to be happy with who I am because of it. To be proud of myself for having integrity of getting where I'm going. Because when I get there, it's going to be honestly, and it's going to be admirably, and it's gonna be genuine. I'm not gonna step on anyone else to get where I'm going, and I don't need to, and we don't need to.
Yes.
That's my vision, getting myself there.
What do you feel like that looks like for you?
Like
That's
specifically?
Good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Like,
I want to be an editor. I want to edit. I want to edit magazines or books or websites. Make things better. Nitpick small things to make them better and eventually be in charge of it.
What got you into that?
Words were the only thing that I could make nearly as perfect as possible when I was younger. I couldn't make my life perfect, but I could make something on paper perfect, or damn near perfect.
And you're doing that.
I'm working on it.
Yeah. But you felt, so it's like you felt that release.
Yeah.
You felt a release.
Once I understood that there's no one else on this whole planet that the second they open their eyes, they wonder if I need to brush my teeth.
Yeah.
They don't wonder if I need to use the bathroom or if I'm hungry. You're the only person that thinks of that.
Mm-hmm.
So why not prioritize that person? What is wrong with being selfish in that way to be your best self? By believing in themselves, by having the courage to believe in yourself, because it takes more to have courage in yourself than it does to be afraid of what you're capable of. And to have that courage in yourself just dispels any other chances of fear. Courage to push yourself forward so you're not holding yourself back.
Any last words, Brittany? Any last words?
Don't stop your grind, y'all. Don't stop.